Hello guys, today we are going to draw and color fish which starts from the letter F. So the things we need are an eraser, a pencil, a sketch pen and some colors. So let's start. First we are going to draw a curved line like this and we'll join it like this. Joining this, we'll draw a triangle here. Now we'll make a curved line like this and we'll make eye of the fish like this. Now we can make you can make design of your choice. Like this. And now I will draw a line like this so that it looks like it is a design. We can even make a small smile like this, and now we will outline it with a black sketch pen. Like this. Now we have outlined it. Now we are going to color it. You can take any color. For the face, I will take yellow. The design I am going to color it orange. Same yellow, I will color it here. And I will take pink and color this strip. And now our fish is ready. A fish is a marine animal. It breathes with its gills and it swims with its fins. Thank you.